Hello spectators, I am Khushbu. The topic which I am going to undertake today is something we are very familiar with, and the topic is home sweet home. I would like to begin this idiom by taking this beautiful poem regarding home. Home sweet home, there's no place like home. Mid pleasures and palaces though we may roam about, be it ever so humble, there's no place like home, there's no place like home. A charm from the sky seems to hallow us there, which seek through the world is never met with elsewhere. Home, 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 sweet home, there's no place like home, there's no place like home. So what is a home? If you look into the dictionary for the definition, you will find out that it's a place where one lives permanently as a household member, or it's a place of a household. But I would like to say that it's just a definition. It's not just an abode by will to live in. Rather, it's a feeling. Rather, it's a place where one not only feels comfortable, but a place they look forward to opportunely live in every day. A home is not built by bricks or wood, but with the bond of the family. It's a place that reminds a person of countless memories and values when we walk through. Home is semantically related to sharing grief, happiness, emotions, love, care, and the list is endless. It's a place to share stories or make memorable memories with each other. Furthermore, I would like to say that home is more than a place. It's a feeling. It's a feeling of being homely. No matter how rough life is treating you, you'll always have someone looking for you. It's a place where you can be in your own true colors, because we know we'll receive definitive acceptance. We can do anything we please to do without the fear of caring being judged later. It's a place where we are born and thrive throughout, the sweetest place on earth, where we feel safe and secure. Basically, it's a place where you can be you, where you feed off optimism and feel free. Home provides security, control, belonging, identity, privacy. The place where the sun rises and the sun sets, while we get back where night sky glitters, where emotion prevails, where love blossoms. It's a place where we are raised, where we laugh, cry, learn, improve, grow. Many people keeps complaining about the size of their house, the luxuries that they lack, the materialistic things they don't even have. But one should realize that it's an underrated blessing. Greed is a vicious circle. The person who lives in an apartment demands for a bungalow, the bungalow owner demands palace, and the palace owner demands an island. But if we look for the people who are below us, then those above us will definitely be happier. A house is complete if you have a roof over your head. Now hereby by concluding, I would like to say that ask the person who are staying away from their home the value of home. It's not just a place, again, it's a feeling. It's an environment we live in. So respect your home and the roof above you. May fortune shower over you. Have a good time. Bye.